Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, sharing with you all an interesting 4-bedroom detached property. This is Kilburn from Persimmon Group. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located in York, very near to the York Designer Outlet. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have the living, study, kitchen with dining, utility and a washroom. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house you'll find a lengthy hall in front of you with various partitions towards your living, kitchen and dining space and upstairs. So first let's explore the study which is coming towards the front. So this comes towards the right side as you enter the house. It's a decent space and you have a really big window, so plenty of natural light falling in this study. Now you can use this as a visitor's room, study, whatever you want to. And just as you walk out of the study, towards your left side you'll find your living room. Again, the space is quite okay. It's a regular living room for a 3 or 4 bed property. You can easily plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and a TV set. Towards the front end you're getting a wide window, so plenty of natural light falling in the living room. Well, it's not a very bright day when we actually filmed this video, so you may not find that the living room is quite bright, but because you have this wide window towards the front, on a regular bright day you can definitely find some more light in the living room. Overall, a comfortable living room with really good space and style. Now moving towards the kitchen and dining which are coming at the back. So this is the kitchen with the dining. The space looks quite okay. Towards one side they planned the complete kitchen and towards the other end you can plan a dining table. You also have the wide French door access towards the garden which is coming at the back. And there's a window towards the kitchen side. So very good ventilation and plenty of natural light. First let's explore the kitchen side. So towards this kitchen you have the worktop spread out on 3 different sides with various cabinets at the bottom and on the top. You also get this wide windows, so plenty of light towards the kitchen end. And the space in between is really good to walk around. And towards the other side you have decent space to plan a really good table. And as you can see, towards the other end of kitchen you also have the utility. And here you can plan your refrigerator, whether a single door one or a double door. Now these are the French door access towards the garden here, and you'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it. So just beside this kitchen and dining you have the utility and also the washroom. Now the utility space is quite okay. You have the boiler and you can also plan your washing machine and dryer here. And you also have garden access from this utility. There's an additional door provided. And the washroom in the ground floor is coming beside this utility. It's a small washroom. The space looks quite okay. You have the water closet, sink and there's a window. We covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now moving towards the first floor. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with the master bedroom having the ensuite and a common family bathroom. So let's explore the master bedroom first. So this is the master bedroom of the house. It's a double bedroom. The space looks quite okay. You can plan a double bed like this and you have space to walk around. You're getting a window towards one side and just opposite to this you have the attached bath. So this is the ensuite. You have the walk-in shower, sink, water closet, and there's a nice window. The room comparatively looks smaller than the other master bedrooms, maybe because it's given in length. You can also plan your wardrobes like this in this bedroom. So this was the master bedroom of the house. Now let's check out the second bedroom. So just beside the master bedroom you get the second bedroom of the house. The corridor space is really good in this house. So this is the second bedroom. It's a double bedroom again, and this looks actually bigger than the master bedroom because it's in square shape. You can easily plan a king size bed or a double bed like this, and there's really good room space to walk around. You also get a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. Overall a decent room with good space. Now just beside this second bedroom you also have the third bedroom. It's a very small room actually. I don't want to call it as a bedroom, but if at all you want to use it as a kids room you can still plan a cot like this, single cot. It's the smallest room in this house. You still get a nice window in this room, so good ventilation and plenty of natural light. Moving towards the fourth bedroom of the house. This is again a double bedroom. You can plan a double bed or two single cots, anything you want to, and there's decent space to walk around. You'll be getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. So basically you'll be getting 3 double bedrooms and 1 single room in this house. Now just opposite to this bedroom you get some storage space with the door and lock provided, and beside the storage space you also have the common family bathroom. It's a decent bathroom. You have the bathtub, sink, water closet, and the window size also is slightly bigger. We covered all the rooms in this property. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.